Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For today, pag-usapan natin about the recap on P-pop Himig Handog sa Awit Awards. But, subscribe na to our YouTube channel kung gusto mag-likes, shares, comments, and views at abuti ng 500. I-support natin sa ating social media account. Ang ating day's vlog for today, 391 episode 391 entitled P-pop Himig Handog sa Awit Awards Recap. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Panonood natin ang highlights. Ayan. Una muna natin inannounce last June 2025 sa ginanap ng Awit Awards approved entry. 11 lang out of 12. Isa lang ang mistake. Pero bakit yan? Panoorin natin muna. Okay, kasi isa lang ang nawala, which is Corplex Salamat. Pero hindi maintindihan yung pangalan ng Cebuano name. But, 11 lang ang nasa approved entry. Last October, sa ginanap na nominees by ng Awit Awards, panoorin natin muna. Okay, tatlo na ang nakapasok bilang finalist like Buhi by Ferdinand Aragon, Dini na Lang by Jolian for Best Regional Recording, and ATM by Ice Guerra para sa Best Traditional Contemporary Folk Recording and Best Performances by a Solo Artist. At ginanap ito nung last November City sa ginanap ng Awards Night ng Awit Awards or 38th edition sa Meralco Theater. Ito, a-announce natin. For Best Regional Recording, Buhi by Ferdinand Aragon and Dini na Lang by Jolian ay natalo sa Awit Awards. Ay, sayang. But, yung nanalo dyan ay kasing-kasing by Juan Carlos and Kyla Cherry and Umaykan by Noel Cabangon. Congratulations. Ang natita na lang ay yung kay Ice Guerra's ATM. Una muna natin yung nabigo, yung natalo lang. Ice Guerra's ATM, natalo sa Best Performances by a Solo Artist to Dianelas Manilag. Best Performances by a Solo Artist. Natalakayan natin sa vlog na ito. Buti na lang, isa lang nanalo for Song by Ice Guerra's ATM para sa Best Traditional Contemporary Folk Recording for the song entitled ATM. Ang tanging mamahaling congratulations to Ice Guerra. The song is composed by the song is composer by Francis Contemplacion, while Jonathan Manalo as para producer lang ng kanta by Ice Guerra's ATM. And maraming salamat and congratulations to Ice Guerra and Fire Nice Music for being each other para sa pagkapanalo bilang Best Traditional Contemporary Pop Recording for ATM. And also, Lisa Dino, ang asawa ni Ice Guerra na nabati na siya. And also to Awit Awards, we love you. And Pari, congratulations sa lahat ng winners sa Awit Awards. Ayan, congrats Ice Guerra and P-pop Himig Handog. We love you. We hope to see you in the next edition of Awit Awards. And that's it for our latest vlog. Bukas na, December na! Yay! Sana mag-enjoy and hope to see you next time. Bye! God bless!